In this video, I'll show you how to create a Game Pass for PLS Donate, step by step. First of all, open your browser and paste this link. Now press Enter. After the page opens, look on the right side and click on Creations. Next, click on Your Place or Your Experience. Now a new page will open. On the right side, scroll down a little. Here you will see an option called Passes. Click on Passes. Now click on Create a Pass. A new screen will open. Here, give your pass a name and write a small description. After that, click on Create. Your Game Pass is now created. Now click on your newly created pass. On the right side, click on Sales. Here, turn on the Item for Sale toggle. Now set the price for your pass. Make sure you turn off the regional price option. After setting the price, click on Save Changes. That's it. Your Game Pass is now ready and can be used in Please Donate. Now when someone buys your pass in the game, you will receive the donation through your Game Pass.